As we all know, Pi Network is getting up to the open mainnet, and a lot of people are expecting that when we get to the open mainnet, it will be all rosy. Yes, we're transiting into the open mainnet, but the truth is, there are a whole lot more that you need to do before you get there. Don't expect that when the open mainnet happens, you will automatically become a millionaire. I'm going to take you through some easy steps, some few steps that you have to complete before you see yourself getting into the open mainnet. The truth of the matter is, a whole lot of people are holding on to the coin thinking that when they get to the open mainnet, it's all buy and sell and they're all okay with that. But that's not the truth. If you want to know exactly how you can profit with the open mainnet when it eventually happens, then stick around. Also, if you want to know the answer to this big question everybody keep asking, is Pi Network actually real? Are we expecting the open mainnet this year? Are we actually going to go live on the Pi Network? What are we expecting from Pi Network? Are we expecting that this year will run by and there's nothing happening? Or are we expecting that the Pi Network will eventually open up? These are the questions that we have to look into and get answers for. I'll see you after the intro. Clicking a button to mine everything for hours, creating a wallet and having that wallet connected to the mainnet is not the only thing you need to do to secure yourself a seat at the open mainnet. You actually need to know that there is more to this than what you actually think. The majority of the questions I keep getting every day are the same thing. Everybody keep asking me how they can recover their passphrase. Everybody keeps telling me they have lost their passphrase in one way or the other. Let's be very critical about this. The very first thing is this: the Pi Network wallet is actually a non-custodial wallet, which simply means that you and only you have the sole responsibility for your wallet. The network does not have responsibility tied to your wallet. So when you have created the wallet, look for the passphrase, save it. When you have saved the passphrase, the next thing you have to do is just simply activate either the Face ID or your fingerprint. This goes a long way in securing your account. I get a lot of people coming on telling me, oh, I've lost my passphrase, I've lost my... No, you can't tell me that. The reason is this: you can't just simply lose it. The only way you can lose it is as follows. Either you forgot where you wrote it down, or you did not write it down when you were creating your wallet. Now, the next likely option, which is very common these days, is you actually willingly gave it to a scammer. For those of you who keep thinking that you get people to buy your Pi coin for $35, $50, $70, $100, you are joking. You can't get anybody to buy at that amount at this time. If you find anybody who is willing to buy your Pi coin for as much as even $20, $15, $7, $8, $10, just know that you are in the hands of a scammer. So my advice is keep holding your coin, keep mining your coin, and stop entertaining scammers. Stop thinking that one day you will find somebody who is genuine enough to actually take your coin and give you that amount of money. Eventually, yes, it might happen when we get into the open mainnet. I've said it several times and I will repeat myself. The way to make more money on the Pi Network is not as simple as selling your Pi coin to another party. The average way you can actually make more money from selling your Pi coin is not really from one person to the other. There are two ways to that. It's either you engage on a proper barter system, which is the initial concept or the concept of the Pi Network. A proper barter system where you are paying someone for services he's rendering, or you are buying goods or services from that person and you have agreed on a certain amount. The second way is from a crypto exchange. Once the Pi Network gets listed or gets into the open mainnet, the next step is to get listed. And once it gets listed, you are going to trade it. I can give you instances and examples of new coins that have come up. Exchanges keep listing them every day. So what makes you think that Pi Network will be any different? For me, I would say position yourself to get into the market. Learn how to trade cryptocurrency on exchanges. It is important for you to start doing the following: secure your account, get ready for the open mainnet by making sure that you have carried out everything and waiting for the conditions to be met. At the same time, the most important one, make sure that you learn how to trade cryptocurrencies on an exchange. I have a group where I'm teaching people on how to trade on exchanges. So if you're interested, the link will be in the comment section. My name is Tony. Until my next video, keep mining.